got a silk press? Guess who got a silk press? I did. What do you want? Ooh. First cup of delectable coffee, and it's reviving my soul. I don't know what we're gonna get up to today. I'm probably gonna go to the gym, homework. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Yesterday wasn't a good day for me. Lots of tears. Yeah, we don't really have to get into it. I don't want to get into it. I let myself be sad girl. Sad world, and here we are. And tomorrow I'm gonna get silk press, so I'm gonna be the morale is gonna be through the roof. I'm gonna have a fresh new do, and I'm super excited about it. I'm like so tired of doing my natural hair. I'm sick of it. I need something different. I haven't got my hair straightened in 2 years. 2 years. So I'm excited to see how long it is, and I'm excited to just have a change for like a month. Anyway. Happy morning. I'm gonna drink my coffee, watch something on YouTube, and I'll see you later.
Watching a soap opera, I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started.
I'm on my way to get a silk press this morning. Yes, you've heard it. You've heard it here first. It's silk press season. I'm going to this girl I've never been to before, and I'm so excited to get a silk press. I haven't got my hair straightened in 2 years, so I'm really excited. TBS, my period started, so I had to get some Midol for the road, and that's what I'm doing today. So next time you'll see me, I should have inches on inches, okay? Hello, everybody. Guess who got a silk press? Guess who got a silk press? I did, and it looks amazing. It just looks so good. It looks so good. Let's go to the bathroom if you want to get a more detailed look. See like the length, and she did a really good job, and I'm just so excited to have a little change, a little switch up. I can just roll out of bed, get into it. Okay, get into it, yeah. Feeling the side part for sure. So do like a middle part. What do you guys think? Middle part or side part? I think I like the side part. Anyway. But she did give me a little trim. I said, ma'am, don't cut off all my hair. Because I'm like, just take off the dead ends. Don't go crazy. And she really did. Sis understood the assignment. Okay, because I feel like my hair is still a good length. I was thinking that it was going to meet my tattoo. And it does go past it. So, like, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. So, look at that. Do you guys see? Are you guys seeing this?